How to hide friends list on Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video I will guide you on how you can hide your friends list on Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So maybe you've decided that you don't want anyone else to view your friends list on your Facebook account, even though they are your friend or close relative. You want to simply keep it private and as private as possible. Well, you can actually absolutely do that. Facebook does offer you a way to go ahead and make your friends list private. In order to find that where the option is, just open up Facebook, and then once you open up Facebook, tap on the menu icon from the top right, and once you tap on the menu icon, scroll down to the bottom, go to settings and privacy, and then go to privacy shortcuts here. And then once you go to privacy shortcuts, in this tab you'll find the option called see more privacy settings. Just make sure to tap on the see more privacy settings button, and as you do that, over here you'll be able to see the option that is how people can find and contact you. You just want to make sure to tap on this option that is how people can find and contact you. And when you tap on this option, basically it says who can see your friends list. Just tap on it. Now you can choose to make it public, but obviously that's not what you're looking for in this video. You can choose to only show it to your friends, or friends accept as few friends, or only some specific friends. Or what you can do is simply select only me, and when you select only me, no one else other than you is going to be able to view your friends list on Facebook. That's all it takes to hide your friends list on Facebook. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.